I don't usually do videos like this, but I had to share something that genuinely gave me peace of mind. This little device, it's a 3-in-1 carbon monoxide detector, but it also shows the temperature and humidity inside my home. I live in an older building, and not knowing what's in the air used to stress me out, but now I can just glance over and know I'm safe. It's simple, it's reliable, and honestly, it feels good knowing I'm looking out for my family, even in the little ways. If you're ever worried about air quality or gas leaks, this is your sign. Get one. It's worth it.